So today's vlog is in London. So I went to the shopping centre which was in Canary Wharf. So it was my first time visiting this place actually. So it had a lot of food options, a lot of different types of shops.
আমার এক বড়ি আছে ওটা লাগান লাগে রোলেক্সের লাগান লাগে
So most of these are clothes shops. There are some designer brands as well for jewellery like Swarovski. And then you've got your standard coffee shops as well, a lot of jewellery shops. So I went on an afternoon. It wasn't too busy considering it was London. So there was a few halal options for food, as most of the shops do sell halal food, but you just have to ask them just to double check or have a look if you can see the halal logo. So outside is a nice little canal. Oh yeah. So I believe this is part of the River Thames flowing. There's many apartments here, so the people that live there can have a nice view of the river or the canal from their balcony or the windows. The weather wasn't too good on this day as it was raining and it was a bit cloudy as well. So it just made the day look a little bit dark. You can see an underground train going past in the background. There was a lot of people arriving from the train station, so you can see them coming with their suitcases as there is a train station that just stops here. So this is just the other side. So it's got the financial buildings like HSBC and the offices there. The trees were quite pretty here, they're nice and green. And in this weather there was an ice cream van parked there. So the rain did get worse, as you can see. And you've got the classic London red bus at the bus stop. It was quite nice scenery. I do like seeing buildings, like high-rise buildings. I mean, they're not the tallest, but they are much taller than other parts of the UK city. Next up, I went to Cafe Nero to just get a quick coffee to go and some cake and some snacks.
Canary Wharf, the Rani apartment building. This is all Canary Wharf, the Rani. All empty.
You can see central London there.
We're just driving back through the city. There was a lot of traffic on some parts as well. So this is just at my cousin's house. She has 3 rabbits. So they've got a little home for the rabbits themselves where they have the bedding, where they have the food. And these are 2 other types of rabbits. It looked like it was looking at the camera. They were quite cute and fluffy. It was feeding time for them, so they were eating. And she also has a cat. The cat was a little bit tired. As you can see, it's falling asleep. So after spending some time at their house, I was getting ready to go to a wedding. So the next part of the video is at the wedding. So the wedding took place inside a marquee. And this was the groom's entrance, so he's coming through. And this was the bride's entrance. And that's it for today. Please remember to like and subscribe for more. Thank you.